This clip shows what appears to be a lady walking down the road. Perhaps she's walking a dog, for all it seems, but no, she's walking a miniature horse, and that miniature horse would be Lucy B, a high-trained mobility assistance animal, and it's showing them walking down a busy road, and you can't see the mobility assistance harness from here, but there they are, and they're waiting patiently to cross the road. And as they approach, you'll see the mobility assistance harness on the miniature horse, Lucy B, and you'll see them safely cross the street. You'll see the change in speed a little bit. Lucy's adjusting to her handler's speed and gait. And here the terrain changes and she adjusts and she's balancing to compensate for the irregularity in the surface that they're walking on, and they're going to have a fall. So here it comes. And Lucy comes and positions her harness so that someone can use it to just really pull and climb up on and just hang on her. All that is needed, and Lucy just stands there and balances for the both of them and waits for her human to regain her balance and recover from the fall and adjust her lead rope and indicate when she's ready to move off. And there they go. What could have been catastrophic was just a minor hitch in their walk. And there they go, off walking into the sun flare on the video camera. Thank you.